Welcome to your February Wake Up Workout. It's Heart Healthy Month. It's beautiful Valentine's Day month. It's all about love. So let's begin. Love your body. Inhale and exhale. Our morning workout together, AM. Having a beautiful day because you're doing something good for you. One more deep cleansing breath. Bring in the oxygen for the day. Inhale deeper, 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 and exhale it out. And let's swing side to side, relaxing your arms, your shoulders. Just relax all the muscles. That's it. Wake up workout. Get the energy to flow. A little Tai Chi. Chi means energy. It's all about being healthy and happy this month, okay? We're gonna wake up happy. We're gonna move. We're gonna get the muscles going and the oxygen to flow. That's it. Reach all the way up now. Circle your arms back. Open up your chest. This is important for good circulation, opening up through the lungs so you breathe deeper today and feel every stretch. That's it. No more tension because you did something good for you today. You deserve this. Wake up feeling happy, energized, ready to take on that day. That's it. Last one, and let's stretch to the thighs. Stretch out your legs, your back. Wake up that spine. Can you reach your arm all the way up now? Reach this hand around the thigh. Give it a good stretch. Oh, feels so good, you guys. And to the other side, reach up, reach over, stretch it out. Good for your back, your spine. And bring your legs together and swing your body. Take it down, lift up, take it down, stretch up. Take it down, lift up, and stretch. Elongate the spine. This is so good for your back. Lift. We got one more. Take it down. Stretch your legs. Reach it all the way up. Now my favorite stretch in the world is this one. Stretch to the side. Are your legs together? Squeeze your buttocks. Great for your hips. Great for the opening up of the spine. And release. Great for the whole body. You're gonna feel good today because you started your day off with a little wake-up workout. That's it. It's only 5 minutes, but it's a regular routine for you. That's what I want. Now stretch your arm all the way behind you. Now look up. Can you feel that opening up through the shoulders? Great. The tension begins there. We'll stop it at the tracks. Good. Stretch. Hold that stretch and release. And now stretch your legs. Cross one leg over the other. Lift up and stretch all the way down. Take yourself all the way down. Relax your neck muscles. Let your head hang and just let everything go. Just let it go. No neck tension. That's it. And switch legs. The other leg comes in front. Let it just go down and relax. So good to think better, to think a little more alert today. Bring your knees together now. Bend your knees. Roll up one vertebrae at a time. Let me see that beautiful smiling face. Now we're going to open up through the chest. Lift up through the chest. Look up, open up through the heart. Open up the heart through the chest. That's it. Great for your scapular. And relax through the shoulders now. Today you're going to feel so good. Make it a positive day. That's it. Be optimistic. Think about heart health every day. Eat healthy each day. Today you're going to eat healthy. You're going to eat clean. That's it. Stretch. I love February. Valentine's Day. It's all about love. Love your body. And hold right here. Hold. Bring your legs together, chest up, stomach in. Strengthen your thighs, strengthen your legs. Keep your tummy tight here. Hold it. Sit a little lower, 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 lower. And now come all the way up. Press up, that's it. Great. Let's take a deep cleansing breath together. Bring in the oxygen. Oxygen equals energy. And just relax. Reduce any stress, just let it go. Go and make it a beautiful day today. You can do it. I'm proud of you.